Welcome to our recipe channel. Today we are going to show you a delicious and healthy dessert option, the fruit salad. It is an easy and practical way to increase the consumption of vitamins, minerals and fibers, in addition to being a refreshing option for hot days. In this video, we're going to teach you a simple and quick fruit salad recipe that you can adapt according to your preference. So, grab your bowl and fresh fruit, and let's get started on this amazing dessert. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like the video, comment your questions and suggestions and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our news. And there's one more thing, we are offering a special promotion for our followers, an ebook with several healthy and delicious recipes. Just click on the first link in the description. So, now that you know what we're going to present, grab your recipe book and come check out this tasty and healthy fruit salad option. Fruit salad is a refreshing and nutritious dish that can bring many health benefits. Here are some of them. Rich in nutrients, fruit salad is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. It's an easy way to increase your intake of important nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Helps maintain healthy weight. Fruit salad is a healthy, low-calorie option that can help manage weight. Fruits contain fiber that helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can reduce your appetite and calorie intake. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body's cells against damage caused by free radicals. Eating a fruit salad regularly can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes and some cancers. Improves digestion. Fruits contain fiber, which helps to regulate the gastrointestinal tract and promote bowel regularity. Eating a fruit salad can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Increases hydration. Fruits contain water, which is important for keeping the body hydrated. Eating a fruit salad can help increase your water intake and keep your body hydrated. Strengthens the immune system. Fruits contain vitamin C and other nutrients that help strengthen the immune system. Eating a fruit salad can help increase the body's resistance to infection and disease. In summary, fruit salad is a healthy and delicious option that offers a variety of health benefits. Now let's go to the recipe. To begin. Ingredients. 1 cup of chopped strawberries. 2 chopped kiwis. 1 chopped mango. 1/2 chopped pineapple. 1 cup seedless green grapes. 1 banana in slices. Juice of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon of honey. Now let's go to the preparation mode. Wash the fruits well and cut them into cubes, removing the skins and seeds. Place the berries in a large bowl and mix well. In a separate container, mix lemon juice and honey. Pour the lemon juice and honey mixture over the fruit and stir well. Cover the bowl with cling film and let the salad rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so the flavors blend together. Serve the chilled fruit salad and enjoy. This fruit salad recipe is a healthy and refreshing option for any time of the day. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, as well as being a natural source of sugar to help satisfy your sweet tooth without resorting to processed foods. Remember to choose fresh, good quality fruit to ensure the flavor and nutritional benefits of the recipe. And don't forget to experiment with different combinations of fruits and spices to customize your fruit salad the way you like. Thank you for accompanying us here. But if you want even more content for healthy eating, we have news. Our complete recipe ebook is on sale for a limited time. In it, you will find a variety of delicious and nutritious options for your day-to-day, as well as tips and guidelines for a balanced diet. Take advantage of this opportunity and get your complete ebook of healthy recipes with an exclusive discount now. The link is in the description below. We thank you for your company and hope that you continue to take care of your health and eat well. To the next.